Today, we're diving into a topic that concerns many: proper nutrition for optimal brain function. What should we eat and what should we avoid to maintain mental clarity and good memory for years to come? Modern scientific research provides us with answers to these questions. Before we delve into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new episodes about health and well-being. Now, let's explore how nutrition affects our brain. When we talk about brain health, we're referring to the health of the entire nervous system. It's not just the neurons in our head, but also the spinal cord and nerve cells connected to all the organs in our body. There are two main approaches to improving brain function through nutrition. The first is general, healthy lifestyle principles that indirectly affect the brain. The second is specific foods that directly impact nervous system functions. Let's start with general principles. Quality sleep is the foundation of mental and physical health. Without regular restful sleep, the brain suffers and the ability to concentrate and learn deteriorates. Moreover, studies show a link between poor sleep and the development of dementia. Cardiovascular health is equally important. At least 150 to 180 minutes of cardio exercise per week is recommended. This is critical for heart health and, consequently, brain health, as the brain consumes a lot of oxygen and glucose supplied by blood. Now, dear viewers, let's take a short break. Write in the comments how much time you dedicate to physical activity each week. This will help us understand how relevant this topic is to our audience. Let's move on to the most interesting part: foods that directly affect brain health. Many will be surprised, but the key element here is fats. Yes, fats, not glucose, as many might have thought. The fact is that cell membranes of neurons consist of special structural fats. These fats are different from the regular fat that accumulates in the body. Therefore, consuming the right fats is critical for maintaining healthy neurons. We're talking about essential fatty acids and phospholipids. Omega-3 fatty acids are particularly important, especially EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid. Most people get enough omega-6 from their regular diet, but omega-3 is often deficient. Studies show that consuming 1 to 3 grams of EPA per day can significantly improve mood and cognitive function. The effect is comparable to antidepressants, but without side effects. And for those already taking antidepressants, adding omega-3 can allow for a lower dose of medication. Where can we get these beneficial fats? The best sources are fish, mackerel, salmon, herring, oysters, sardines, anchovies. The champion in EPA content is caviar, but if you don't like fish or follow a plant-based diet, there are other options: chia seeds, walnuts, soybeans. Now, a question for you, dear viewers: which of these foods do you regularly consume? Share in the comments. This will help us understand how balanced our audience's diet is. If you can't get enough omega-3 from food, consider supplements. This can be fish oil in liquid form, or capsules, krill oil, or algae oil. The main goal is to aim for a daily consumption of at least 1.5 grams of EPA. It's important to note that omega-3s are beneficial not only for the brain, but also for the cardiovascular system. Although there's some disagreement about the optimal dosage, most studies confirm the benefits of sufficient omega-3 in the diet. Now, let's talk about how to change your attitude towards healthy but not very tasty foods. Many people grimace at the mention of sardines or mackerel, but there are ways to learn to love these products. First, start small. Add a small amount of the disliked food to familiar dishes. For example, minced sardines can be added to pasta sauce. Second, experiment with preparation. Perhaps you don't like boiled vegetables, but roasted ones might taste delicious. Third, create positive associations. Eat healthy foods in a pleasant environment with loved ones. Over time, the brain will begin to associate this food with positive emotions. And finally, remember the benefits. Each time you eat a healthy food, remind yourself how it improves your brain function. This will help overcome the initial aversion. Now, an interesting fact: our taste preferences can change every 7 years. So if you don't like a certain food now, it's possible that it might become your favorite after some time. Let's summarize. Critical for brain health are quality sleep, regular physical activity, sufficient omega-3 fatty acids in the diet. Remember, taking care of your brain is an investment in your future. A healthy brain means clear thinking, good memory, and a positive mood for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And in the comments, tell us what changes in your diet you plan to make after watching. Your experience might inspire others on the path to a healthy lifestyle. This concludes today's episode. Thank you for your attention. Take care of yourself and your brain. Until next time.